you're not on YouTube. Only this is on YouTube, what you see and hear. Okay? So when I write, you can see it. But then you can also see it on YouTube later, if you want. If you want. I don't know why you would want to, but if you want to. Okay. So let's get started. Huh? Well, no, we have to wait for it to open. This is just loading, you know. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no, hang on. I can do this nicer. There we go. English. Okay. Let's start with this now. English. Okay. What's this one called? That's one, yeah. We have many different words. So you said one, and you said one. So you said some, and you said add. Okay, there's another one. So we have X, add Y, and sum of X and Y. Okay, there's a couple more though. Good. You don't remember. This is good. Okay, if you can write this down. Does anybody know any more words for this? I can think of at least two more. What one's this? There you go. X plus Y. And another way you can say it is like this. Y onto X. In fact, there are many ways to say this in English. This is only just some of the ways. I mean, there's probably 10 ways to say it in English. These are just the common ways. You told me some. Is this what you normally say? Yeah. Did you learn this in school? Or this is what they taught you in school. And for you guys back home, did they teach you add in school for this word? So, have you heard of this word before? You heard of this before, and you heard of this before. Okay, good. What? She knows plus. You should know plus.
I know iPhone 7 stuff.
What?
iPhone?
Oh, yes, iPhone 7 Plus. Very good, yeah. Okay. What's this one? Yeah, go on. Scarlett? Very good. X minus Y. See, she remembers. You remember too? Okay, that's only one. There's others. Do we know any more? No more? No more? That was it? Okay. X subtract Y. Yep. Okay. This one is a little strange. You say Y from X. You say it backwards. It's strange. So for example, this, you would say 4 from 10 is 6. So you see, you have to be careful in English, because some speakers, if they say this, it's backwards. Now, I'll give you a little help. I think the older you are, you move down here, and younger, you move up here. So you all knew this word, or heard it before. This is more common nowadays. Older people like Dennis, he might say this. Dennis, yeah. You know Dennis, your teacher?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's older. So
He likes to.
he might say this.
He must be sure.
Yeah. I think he should. Yes, I think he should. But, you know, if you're talking to someone, like maybe a teacher at school, an older teacher, if you go to university, they might say it like this when they read it. You know, so you have to be careful about this. And there's one more, which is like this one. So, the same structure. We say difference. Difference between X and Y. Now again, this is not these are not the only words. There are many words. For example, another word I can think of is takeaway, like fast food. You can say X take away Y. Yeah. So you have many words, and you could say X less Y, X reduce Y. Many words in English. Many words. What about the next one? Not double, no? No. Oh, nobody knows this? Oh, interesting. I'm glad I'm here to help you. Nobody knows this one? No? You never used it in English before? No? Okay. X. Now, again, we have many, so I'll go with X times Y. That's one of them. We also have X multiply Y. Yeah. We also have Y by X. Yeah. And the last one is very hard. It's the product of X and Y. Now you all understand that these words are important to know. You're going to be studying in English. You don't know which word your teacher will use. If they're young, they might say minus. If they're old, they might say from. So you need to learn all the words. You know. Okay, so this is new for everybody. What about this one? Also new. Any ideas? No? I'll give you a little help. Begins with D. D-I-V. Close. Very close. Close enough. Divided. Yes. X divided by Y. Now, I think you know the next one. I'll give you a little clue. This you can write like this. So you can say, there you go, X over Y. Very good. So, X over Y. Okay, there's another one. Let me just plug this in. The next one is like this, and this. It's backwards. Oh, did I hear somebody say it? What do you think it is? Did you say it? Go on, don't be shy. What do you think it is? No! I thought I heard you say it. No, I thought I heard someone say it. No? Okay. Under? Nice, but no. Not this. Good try. Anyone else? No? Okay. It's y into x. Yeah. And the last one is the hardest. It's the quotient. Quotient of x and y. Quotient, yeah. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Got that? Yeah. So, lots of new words today. My hope is at the end of the lesson you will know all of these words. My hope. Yeah. Okay, so we'll continue. Please make sure you wrote these down. Do you have these all written down? Yeah. Okay, so let me see. Let's see how well you remember these. I could get something for you. Can I scroll down? Yeah. How many people have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Okay. Do you remember this game?
Yes.
Did you like it?
No. Of course.
Do you remember the name of this game?
No. Do you have a name?
Of course it has a name.
Wow.
Does anyone know this game?
Bingo.
Does anyone know this game?
Yeah.
Explain this game. What do you do?
Say bingo. Bingo.
That's at the end. Yeah. What do you do in the game?
Line
Right.
Yeah. What do you have? What do I give you? I give you a card. What's on the card? Numbers. Yeah, and then what happens? I say a number. If you have the number, what do you do? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cross it out. And then, when you get all the numbers, you say bingo. Correct. And you win. Yeah. So, I'm going to give you your bingo cards. I have 9 bingo cards here. Okay. So please take one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you okay? Yeah. Too much cola. What's the problem? No? Alright. Okay, do you all have a card? So, can everybody see their cards?
Yeah.
Or is everybody can see their numbers? I think somebody's card I must have cut off. Who hasn't bingo card 2? Yeah, do you want a better one? Yeah, there you go, you take that one. You keep that one. Alright. So, you all have numbers on it, can you see?
Yeah.
And then I say a number, and then if you have it, you cross it out.
Okay.
But there's one difference. I don't say the number.
You say that add or
Oh my God.
He's worked it out. Good. Correct, yeah. So I might say like 5 plus 5.
What?
5 plus 5. No, don't start yet. That was just an example. So if I say 5 plus 5, you see I have 10,
10.
so it's gone.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, wait, we haven't started yet. I have the questions here. Okay, so just take 1 minute to look at the words, and then I will have you close them. So look at the words, try and remember them for 1 minute, and then close. Yeah. Unless you feel ready to start now. Do you think you know all the words? Yeah. Feel ready to start? Think so? Okay, when you're ready, can you close your book? Let's see how much you remember. Yeah, if you cover it. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Close. Ready? Okay. Closed? Yeah. Ready? Okay. I will say each question twice. I'll say it twice. Okay. Let's start. So the first one. 5 add 10. 5 add 10. Okay. Next. 4 onto 10. 4 onto 10. Okay, next. 13 subtract 2. 13 subtract 2. Next. The quotient of 5 and 5. The quotient of 5 and 5. No, impossible! Because I've only said 4 numbers and you have 9 numbers.
I need for all.
Ah, yes, you need all of them.
I
Yeah.
guess the thing is one.
Oh, I see. What did you have so far? Oh no, you need all of them. All of them. Yes. Yes, continuous. Okay, so the last one I said was the quotient of 5 and 5. The quotient of 5 and 5. Okay, next. 4 times 2. 4 times 2. Okay, next. The difference between 18 and 9. The difference between 18 and 9. Okay, next. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Next. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4. Okay, next. The product of 1 and 5. The product of 1 and 5. Okay, next. 1 multiply 7. 1 multiply 7. Okay, next. 1 from 11. 1 from 11. Next. 9 over 3. 9 over 3. Okay. 13 minus 1. 13 minus 1. Next. The sum of 10 and 3. The sum of 10 and 3. Next. 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Next, 8 plus 8.
Yes, bingo.
Bingo this time.
Yes.
In fact, everybody should have all the numbers now because I'm finished. There's no numbers left. So I have said every number. If you're missing a number, it means you missed one of the questions. How many you got all of them, good. How many did you get?
5.
Okay, so you're missing 4? Yeah, what about you?
6.
You have 6 or you missed 6?
Miss 3.
Missed 3, okay. Scarlett? Oh, you have them all, very good. Bingo for you. Tom?
And a Jerry.
And Jerry?
Miss 1.
Missed 1, okay.
Miss
2? 2. Okay, let's see what you missed. What numbers did you miss?
7, 5.
Okay, the first one, 10. Which one was 10?
5.
There was a 5 plus 5?
5 plus 5.
I don't think there was a 5 plus 5. English? One from 11.
Oh,
Oh, 1 from.
Yeah. Okay, what was the next number you missed?
The 7.
7. Where was 7? 7. 1 multiply 7.
What?
1 multiply 7, yeah. What else?
On the 5.
5. 5. The product of 1 and 5. Okay. What numbers did you miss?
4.
4. 4. Yeah, I think, 16 divided by 4. Yeah. What else did you miss?
16.
16? 16?
8 plus.
There was an 8 plus, the last one, 8 plus 8.
Yes, 8 plus 8.
Okay, Scarlett, you got them all? Yeah. Tom and Jerry? 16 was the last one, 8 plus 8. What about you? You have them all now? 11. 11.
1 from 11.
No, that's not 11. 11. 13 subtract 2. 13 subtract 2 was 11. Okay, good. What I want you to do next to help you learn the words more, I'll put you together. 2, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. I want you to give me 3 examples of where you could use these words in day-to-day life. So I'll give you one example. For one example, you might see in a shop, they might have, this is normally in like USA, for example, they might have something like, coffee, €2. But then at the bottom it would say, plus tax. So what they mean is the coffee is €2 and then has extra on it, like maybe like 50 cents or something like that. So you might see in a shop at the bottom it might say plus tax. Or another example, when you fly, when you buy your ticket, it might say at the bottom plus charges. You pay for your bag. So this is an example of how to use plus. 2 examples here. So I want you to try and think of 3 examples of some of the words we have today. Yeah, 3 examples.
On the taxi.
Yeah, on the taxi, yeah.
Did it have tax
Say again, when you're on a taxi, yeah,
plus tax?
plus tax.
Yeah.
I think it's plus charges, not plus tax.
But in my country, we.
Oh, I see, in China it's plus tax, yeah, okay. So it might be,
But it's in Chinese.
in Chinese, yeah, so it might be, what's the Chinese symbol? RMB, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It might be 10 RMB plus 1, or whatever. Yeah, okay, whatever, 2 or 3, yeah, okay, good. So if you can work together, try and give me 3 examples. If you can write down 3 examples, okay? Over?
Over and into divided all of it is half.
No, it doesn't have to be half. So like, for example, like 20 over 5 equals 20 divide 5, which equals 4.
Yes.
Yeah. How many examples do you have?
2.
2 is good. 1 more to go.
Okay.
How many do you have?
2.
Okay, 1 more to go. Over here? 1. Oh, but there's 3 of you. Come on. Okay, let's see what you have. So we'll start over here. What was your 1 example? Go on, yeah? Just a taxi? Oh, come on, all right.
In Boxing Day, they closing
Over
over 2.
2?
Over.
Where's this? What did you say, in the bus?
No, close.
Close.
For good?
By close? Over 2?
Sale.
Ah!
It's in Boxing Day.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah, they would say half price. Yeah, which means, over 2.
That's
Yeah.
why I questioned to the half.
Now I understand. Okay, yeah, half price means over 2. Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Okay. What have you got?
Car.
A car. Explain.
Price and plus insurance.
Oh, like if you get I understand, like you get a loan. Plus
Loan. And
5%.
and insurance fee.
Interest fee. Yeah, I get it. And what was the other example?
Phone.
A phone?
Phone
Yeah, go on.
plus charge fee such as the telephone.
Oh yeah, okay, so plus fees. Yeah, okay, good. Everybody's doing plus, although you had half. What have you got here?
You get the salary need minus tax.
Minus
Minus
tax.
tax.
Yeah.
Yes.
minus tax is a problem.
Yeah.
Good, what else?
And if you buy something online,
Mm.
maybe you need pay the post fee.
Ah, yeah, okay, plus shipping.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ship.
shipping, yeah. Shipping is what they say in USA, and in the UK, what do they say? Do you know this?
No.
Plus postage. Yeah. Did you know these words, or are these new words? What do you normally say? Plus
Post fee.
plus post. Yeah. There's actually other words too. Delivery charges. Yeah. These are the main words. I think delivery is also kind of American. Okay, good. Right. Can I continue? Yeah? Okay, let me give you something here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I want you to look at this side. This side. You have it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what have you got here? What is this? It's a bill. Some friends went to a cafe. How many people do you think went to the cafe? How many people does it look like? 3 people? No, I think it's more than 3 people. 10 people? No, not 10 people. 5 people. 5 people, I think. Now, why do you think 5 people?
Because 5 drinks and 5 sandwich.
Yes, that's it. 5 drinks and 5 sandwiches. Yep. But also look at the bottom. Look what they wrote at the bottom. You see 20 divide 5. Why do you think they did that?
Every people should give.
Yeah, well, every person should give, yeah. Okay, so let's look at these together. So the first one, how was the $6 calculated? So how did you get the 6? What did you do? 2 times 3, yeah. And what about the $2? It's the same. 1 times 2. And then 3 times 5.
Yeah.
But what about this subtotal? How did you get the subtotal? 6 add 2 add 15. That's what you could say. But 6 add 2 add 15. But this takes a long time to say. 6 add 2 add 15. And what if you had more? This is why we use sum. Because when you say sum, you can say the sum of 6 to 15. You don't have to say add each time. So this is one reason you would use sum when you have a list like this. Yeah? Okay. Special offer minus $3. What do you think that is? Special offer minus $3. Maybe a sale, but if it's a coffee shop, what might it be? If it's a coffee shop, well, maybe it's something like maybe it's some card like this, and they get a free coffee or whatever, something like that. And lastly, the total, $20. How is that calculated?
23.
Minus 3. 23 minus 3 is 20. And then 20 divided 5 equals 4. Good. Now, on the back, you see you have a blank bill. What I want you to do is to make a bill and make one mistake. Make one mistake. For example, maybe in your bill you might say, let's see, you might say $2 times 5 equals 11. So that's wrong. Obviously, it's not 11. So I want you to make a bill, but I want you to make one mistake. Okay? Go ahead. Only one mistake, please. Any bill you want, just one mistake. And maybe you could make it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 people. 7 people. Did you all make a bill? Finished? You have one mistake?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Finished? You have one mistake? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Let's swap now. Are you all ready? Not yet. Scarlett, nearly ready? You're ready up the front here, yeah? Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to swap with the person beside you and try and find the mistake. But let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, actually, maybe it'd be a little bit easier if we loop it around. So, this is finished? Yeah, so I'll give this to you. Wait, I'll give this to you. Then you give that to him. And then you give your one to him. Okay? And then goes across, goes across, goes across. Okay. Huh? Not finished?
Excuse me. This is also.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Right, hang on. Finish. Whose was that? Finish.
I don't understand the
Oh, no problem.
I am choosing. I know.
Yeah, your
I
choice.
know that this.
Yeah, you know your
I
choice.
don't understand this.
Yeah, no problem. Good, good, good. Yeah, yeah, good. And then you can make like a special offer like 1. But then here you can say 51. No, you can make one mistake. That's a mistake. Okay. Whose was? Here you go. And does everybody have it now? I want you to find the mistake. Find the person's mistake. And then I want you to tell the person their mistake using the words we learned. Okay. So, two mistakes. Alright, whose was this? So you need to explain all the mistakes to him. Okay, go. What's the first mistake? No, what's the first mistake? 5 times 7 should be 35. And he wrote 15. That's mistake 1. Okay, next mistake.
And stop total.
Yeah.
15 for 65.
Oh, well, that's because, yeah, okay, no, that doesn't count because that's because of this mistake. So that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, good.
18.
Yeah, so Let's see, this was your one, so what was her mistake?
No.
Oh no, sorry, that was your one, sorry. What was his mistake?
It's not having it.
That's a big mistake, yeah. What should it be? Should be 18, yeah, so 3 times 6 should be 18. Good, okay. Who made no mistake? He made no mistake. Oh, good. Okay. Right, did you find the mistake?
Yeah, one.
Okay, so explain to me the mistake.
For the
Yeah.
manage file.
Yeah. Good, yeah. It's not 40. Yeah. Did you find the mistake?
Yeah.
What is it?
This,
Yes.
this is 47.
Yeah.
Me 5.
Yeah.
True is 42.
Yeah, it should be 42.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, can you give it back now? So just hand them back. That was yours.
Why is it here?
So you didn't want to make a mistake? Okay, next. Let me just clear this a bit out of the way. We'll do some more new words, but before we do some new words, I just want to finish this exercise by practicing these words with a little bit of a game. I just need everybody's name. I forgot. What was your name?
Mona.
Mona. M-O-N-A. Yeah. And your name?
Jacob.
Jacob?
Yeah.
J-A-C-O-B?
Yeah.
Okay, and your name?
Only.
2 N's or 1 N? 2 N's?
S-O.
Oh, S-O, okay. And then
Y.
Y. Okay. And you were Scarlett? What? Okay, right. S-C-A-R-L-E-T? Double T, okay. Tom. T-O-M. Okay, alright. Next.
Dennis.
1 N, 2 N's? Double N's. Oh, yes, okay. Oh, yeah, you definitely have to spell. What's yours now? T-A-E. 2 E's? E-U-N. Okay. Right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. What?
It's like a game
Yeah.
in China.
Is it?
Yeah.
What game in China is this?
You can
Three
Three countries what?
countries die.
Nobody dies today, don't worry. Okay. Right, so this is going to work. You have to ask somebody a question. If they get it wrong, they lose a life. The last person is the winner. Now, the rules. We need some rules, okay? So we don't want the numbers too big or too hard. So what do you want to be the biggest number you can use? 100? Oh man. So you could ask somebody, what is 100 multiplied by 300? No. That's a little bit too big. What's the biggest number you can have in your question? Let's say the 12, we'll say. 12, I think, yeah. Yeah. So, when you ask the person the question, you have something, plus, minus, multiply, divide, another number, equals another number. The biggest number you can have here is, we'll say, 12. Yeah? And the biggest one here is 12. And the biggest one here is 144. Yes. Okay. And then the way it works, you ask them like this. What is blah 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 Tom. And if Tom doesn't answer quick enough, he loses a life. Yeah? But if you ask Tom a bad question, like you say, what is 12 multiplied 13, Tom? Then you lose a life. Okay? I will start. I will ask someone, and then they ask someone else. So you need to listen carefully. Okay. Who will I pick? Now, be thinking of a hard question to ask someone. And use difficult words, like maybe I could say, Tom. No, sorry, I should say the question first. Now you know I'm going to ask you. Okay. What is the sum of 1 and 1, Jacob? Now you can ask someone. Listen. Yeah, and then you ask. So, before we start, maybe just take 1 minute to write down some questions you can have ready to ask someone. Yeah, write down some questions. Have them ready. Make them difficult. Difficult. No, just write down some questions so you can be ready to start. You know, have some ammunition. Stock up. Have your weapons ready. No, don't let him see the answers, because maybe you'll ask him. Yeah. Sonny, do you understand what to do?
Yes.
Yeah, how many questions do you have? How many did you make?
2.
Okay, make a few more. Scarlett, how many questions do you have?
5.
Oh, good. Jacob?
4.
Okay. Dennis? Okay, 2 more at least, I think. Okay, are we ready? Are you ready, Tom? Okay. You should. 5 would be good, but we'll see. Right, I'll start. I'll start easy. What is 1 plus 1, Mona?
2. What is 2 times 3 times
6. What is 3 onto 9? Sorry.
I don't know. I think you took a little too long. I'm sorry. Okay, go ahead, Scarlett.
What is 5 plus 5?
What is 12 over 6? Yeah.
What?
12 over 6.
7?
Ooh, no. 2. 2. Okay, go on, Jacob.
What is 9 times 8? That is
72.
Okay, go on. Continue. Yeah.
What is 1 plus 5? 2. 2.
Oh, Tayoon.
10.
1 plus 5.
Okay, go ahead, Tayoon.
5 from
Mm. Sorry, Tayoon, you lose a life. Why does Tayoon lose a life?
Bad question.
Yeah, I said the biggest number you can use is 12.
Yeah.
You remember? Yeah. No problem. Okay, what was the question? 25?
From 8. From 8 or?
25 minus 8. What was the question? Yeah. Okay, who did you ask that to? 17. Who was that for? Who did you pick for that? Yeah, which student did you pick? Jacob, okay. Go ahead, Jacob, you can continue now.
what? Yeah, what is 11 divided 11 more?
Sorry.
11 divided
Yeah, okay. 11 divided 11 is 1. Go ahead, Mona.
What is 4 by 3? Scarlett.
Good. Go on, Scarlett.
What is 3 subtract 2? Tom.
What?
Okay, go on, Tom.
What is difference between 10, 8, and
1.
10, 8.
2. Yeah. He said, what is the difference between 10 and 8? 2. And sadly, Dennis said 1. Okay, go, Dennis.
What is 12 divided 12?
12.
I don't
12
Divided
hear
0.
Oh, 12 divide 12
Oh, wow.
as 1. Yeah, okay. All right, Jacob's nearly dead. Go on, Jacob.
What is the difference between 12 and 12? Sorry. 1.
Oh, no, 0. 0. He said this. 12 minus 12, yeah. Okay, go on, Sonny. Oh, sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go on, Sonny.
What is 8 times 9? Scarlett.
72.
Good, Scarlett, good. Go ahead.
What is 6 over 3? Sorry.
2.
Should we let him have it? Was he quick enough? No. Go on, Sonny.
Okay. What is 11 minus 1? Scarlett.
Oh, no. Yeah. No, but yeah, do you understand what's going on? Ah, okay, you want to hear the number, yeah. Yeah, nobody's picking on Tayoon now. Yeah. And I don't like that Tom has all his life. Yeah, alright, who were we at last? Scarlett, go ahead, Scarlett.
What is 3 into 9? Sorry.
3.
Okay, good, Sonny, go on.
What is 5 plus 10? 10.
Plus 10. 50.
15, good, okay, go on, Tayoon.
50 subtract 9. And at the end of the him.
Him? Who's him now?
At the end of the him.
Sonny! Right, say it again. Say the question again. Yeah.
30 subtract 9. 30.
30 or 13?
30.
Oh,
Over
sorry.
you
The biggest number you can use is 12. Yeah. Go on, I'll give you another chance. Ask someone else now. Another question. Yeah? Have you got one that's small enough?
11
Yeah.
subtract 9. Oh, thing.
Sonny.
2.
Good. Go ahead, Sonny.
What is divided 3? Chicago.
Wait, what? What?
What is 9?
Okay. You didn't say 9 the first. Yeah, I think so too. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, Scarlett.
What is 2 multiplied by 10?
Oh, Tom. Okay, go on, Tom. Now give Tom a hard one now. Come on.
No.
Yeah. Go on, Tom. Go on.
What is 6 into 12? Then
2. 6 into 12 is this. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, Dennis.
What is the same of 1, 6, 8, 9? Tom.
Interesting. I never said you could only use 2 numbers. Tom is using more than 2 numbers. Say it again, Tom.
Dennis.
Oh, sorry. Say it again, Dennis.
1, 6, 8, 9.
Yeah, but what's the verb?
The same of.
The sum of. Go on. 1, 6.
1, 6, 8, 9.
1, 6, 8, 9, Tom.
Whoa.
24.
Let me check. 1, 6, 8, 9, 10, 6. Oh, you know what? I think Tom earns a bonus life then for that. Okay, so now we'll start making it harder. Now, the limit is increased to 100.
Oh my god.
Yeah, 100 now. And we'll try and get people killed quicker. Okay, so write down 3 questions, and the limit now is 100. He's already dead, isn't he? Yeah. He's dead. So. Sorry. You can help Scarlett make some hard questions.
She almost finished.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, okay. Yeah. The limit is 100, and we'll stick to just 2 numbers, okay? 2 numbers. Now make it hard. Make it hard. Who did we finish on? Who did we finish on? It was Tom. Okay, so in a moment Tom will start.
I have a question.
Yeah,
Just 2 numbers.
just 2 numbers. But each number can be 100. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so you could say what is 95 divide 5? Yeah.
14.
But
No.
But I want to know if some people say what is 95 times 95.
Yes?
Yeah.
It's okay? It's okay.
We need the right caliber.
I think I can say very quickly.
But maybe I'll let you use the calculator on your phone. Or you can use pen and paper if you're brave. If you're brave. Yeah?
We can use that.
You can use your mind if you want. Okay, are we ready?
No.
Ready?
Can you give me one more?
Okay. Taeyun, how many questions do you have? Did you make them hard? Let me see. No, show me. Which is your hardest one?
Good.
Good. Yeah. Oh, look at you. No numbers like that. No numbers like that. He wanted to use half.
Double.
Okay, let's start. Are you ready, Tom?
Yes.
Okay, continue, Tom.
What is difference between 85, 60,
85, 85, 60. 25.
Did you say 60 or 16? Okay, good. Okay, go on, Jacob, go on.
What is same of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Guys.
Oh, sorry, Jacob. I said you can only use 2 numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Same of is
Some.
Oh.
Yeah, I said you can only use 2 numbers. Sorry, Jacob said. Okay. Right. Who did you ask that to, Jacob?
Scarlett.
Okay. Scarlett, go ahead, Scarlett.
100.
Oh, that was easy. Go on, Mona.
What is 25 into 75? Scarlett.
Good. It was 3.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Go again, ask another question.
What is 99 times 3? Pounds.
You weren't listening, Tom. You weren't listening. She asked you what's 99 times 3. Too late, too slow. Okay, go ahead, Tom. Go on, Tom.
Okay, sorry. What is 3 into 93?
You have the same problem as Tom, not listening. Okay, go ahead, Mona.
What is 95 into 95?
1.
She didn't ask anyone. Dennis won. Yeah, okay, go on. Go on, Dennis.
What is difference 85 and 100?
195.
No. 15. Yes.
Yeah?
He said, what's the difference between 85 and 100? Yeah. You're dead too. We're just down to these 3 people. Okay, who is that now? Go ahead, Dennis. Oh, if you take too long, Dennis, I might have to...
What is 18 divided by 3?
Okay, go on, Tom.
What is 65 from 75? 10.
Good. 10, correct. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
60 subtract 9. 60 subtract 9.
Who are you picking?
154.
60 subtract 9. Okay, go ahead, Tom.
You will die.
This exciting.
Yeah. What is 60 by 75?
5. I don't know.
Yeah, that was a hard one. 60 by 75. Okay.
You have to concentrate.
Yeah, too hard. Okay, down to Tom and Dennis now. Go ahead, Tom.
What is 1/1?
Wait.
What's the answer? Congratulations, Tom. Somehow you won. I don't know how. Good job. Okay, now let's go on to some new vocabulary. So I hope now you all know the words for these. Yeah? English. Okay, so let's look at some new vocabulary now. So you were talking about earlier about this. So this has a name. And this has a name, and this has a name, and this has a name, and so on. So I think some people, well, we know this name now. You said it was a half.
1 second.
What's this one called?
1/3.
1/3.
Third, yeah. And this one?
Quarter.
Quarter or a fourth.
Why you know this?
Huh? Why? How did I know this? They're smart. Okay, this one? Fifth. And so on. Sorry, my handwriting's bad. Anyways, these are all called fractions. These are all called fractions. When you have something like this over this. Okay, so here are new words for you. Does anybody know the name of the top and the name of the bottom? They have names. What? I don't think anybody knows this, but I'd be very happy if anybody knew their names. Do you know them in Chinese? What's this in Chinese? Correct, yes. But what's in English? On the top, we call this the numerator. And the bottom, we call this the denominator.
It's the same
I don't really know Chinese, so I don't know if it's the same meaning. I hope it's the same meaning. Yeah. You can check if you want, yeah. So the top we call the numerator, and the bottom we call the denominator. Yeah. These are common words in maths, and most people know these words. Okay, so this is called a fraction. Now, what about a number like, I don't know, a number like this? Yeah, it has a name. You're right, this part here is called a point. But what's the name of this type of number? Small number, no.
Little number.
Not little number, no. No. Anybody know it? No? Okay. This number is called a decimal. Yeah. Okay, you should write these words down. Yeah. Got that? Yeah. Okay. Next type of number you will need to know. We have, I think you know this one, a number like this. Yeah, this is called a percent. Good? Okay, next. A number like this. 2.5, for example. So this has two parts. It has a fraction and a whole number. Together, what is this called? Does anyone know? No? Called a mixed number. Yeah. Yep, mixed number. Good, good. Got that? Yeah, okay. Next type of number you might need the name of is we go back to fractions. And fractions have different names. Like, for example, here the top is bigger than the bottom. Or if the top maybe is smaller than the bottom. They have names. This one has a name and this one has a name. Does anyone know?
No.
Do you want to guess? If you think about it in Chinese, maybe you can translate. Think you got in English?
Real and
Not real and not real.
Not bad. Wrong. But not bad. Not bad. We call this proper and improper. Improper. Like real and unreal. Good job. Okay, and then if it's like this, like 1, if there's a 1 on the top, it has a name. You know, like 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. No? Do you know it in Chinese? No. We call this a unit fraction. New words. Good. Okay. Next. A number like this, where you would say it as 1 to 2. What's this called? Yeah, what? Good guess. Not this. Good guess though. It's called a ratio. You know this word, Tom? Oh, you know this word? Yeah. Yeah, so tell me, where do you see these numbers? Football. No. No, because football game is more like this. 1 goal and 2 goals. It's not 1 to 2, because 1 to 2 is the same as 2 to 4. But these are different football games. This one is more exciting than this one. So, it's not football game. Anywhere else? Yeah, if you're reading some report. Yeah. But that's boring. Somewhere exciting. Where do you see this?
The map.
Where?
Map.
Map?
Map, I believe.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, like so 10,000 to 1.
Yeah.
On a map. Very good. But that's boring. Give me something exciting. Exciting for this. Come on. I'll give you a clue. I'm sure somebody has this on their phone. This app. No. PP. No, Paddy Powers. No. Oh, I'm shocked. You're all so good. You're good people. Good students. No, you see this when you place a bet. Yeah. When you place a bet. Yeah. So, like, for example, if you see this, what does it mean? It means you bet €1, and you win
Like a horse?
yeah, like a horse, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, look at you, you're all so innocent. Yeah. Nobody places bets? No?
No.
You're all too good?
I know the bet, but I don't know if she wants this.
Ah, okay. It's a big betting shop in Ireland. You see them everywhere.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
the store.
Yes.
That's the bet?
The name is
Yeah.
PP?
No. Paddy Powers.
Have some shoe.
Shoe is
Horse?
horse.
Yes, horse.
Yes.
Oh no. Horse.
Yes, horses,
Horse
yes.
and
Yes,
sports.
horse.
And sports,
Yeah.
yes. Good. Nobody's placed a bet ever in their life.
A little.
A little.
A little.
Yes, a little.
What? Football?
Football.
What team?
World
Like-
Cup.
World Cup.
World Cup.
Good, yeah, okay. Nobody else, just him. Football, okay, good. See, it's exciting, yeah. Okay, so this is called ratio. So what I want to do now, we just want to practice a little bit changing between them. So, let's say we have something like 2.5. You can write that as a fraction. You can write that as a percentage. You can write that as a ratio. What else did I have? Yeah, did I have anything else? Fraction, percentage, ratio. Yeah, that's it. Okay, can you just take 1 minute? I want you to change this into a fraction, into a percentage, and into a ratio. Oh, I know the other one. Sorry, fraction. And you can do the fraction 2 ways. You can do it as a mixed number, or you can do it as a improper. Yeah. Okay, what is it as a ratio? Oh no, let's do an easy. Let's start at the top. What is it as an improper fraction? 5 over 2. And what is it as a mixed number? 2.5. Yeah. As a percentage? Very good, 250%. Very good. And as a ratio? Okay, 5 to 1, and you said 25 to 10, which is, 5 to 2.
Yes, 5 to 2.
It's the same thing as 5 to 2,
Yeah,
yeah.
yes,
Okay. Good. Okay, can I continue? Yeah. Okay, so the last thing I want to do, I want to talk a little bit more about the last one, ratio. So, I know that you don't bet, but a lot of people would still use betting language when they speak, which is what I want to teach you. So, I'll give you some examples, okay? When we're placing a bet, we call them odds. So for example, we could have 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1. Which one gives you the most money? If you win, you get the most here. So, which one is least likely? Which one do you think will not happen? This one.
Yes.
Because it pays the most. You know, for example, maybe I want to take bets on Tom. I want to bet if Tom does an IELTS exam, his score could be 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. Oh no, I think I should make it bigger now. 10 to 1, yeah. 6.
Wow.
No, we give it a number. What will we say? 100 to 1? 6.5? 1,000 to 1. Okay, good. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because people do use this language when they speak. So, for example, if I was talking to Dennis or Connell, and I said, oh, Tom is going to do an IELTS exam, and he needs to get 6. Do you think he can get 6? He might say, oh no, that's like 100 to 1. You know, people do say this when they speak. They would say, you know, it's 100 to 1. And they mean the odds are 100 to 1. It's nearly impossible. Yeah? Do you understand? Now, when we have this one has a special name. It's called even. Even odds. And it means 50-50. It can happen or not happen. So if I said, what about Tom? He gets a 3.5. Connell might say, even odds. Meaning 50-50 chance.
What?
Yeah. No, this isn't real. I'm sure you can do. I'm sure you can. This is very likely. Don't worry. Yeah. Do you understand the language here? Yeah. Now, what about if you want to do it the other way? So, for example, if you want this. This means you really think it should happen. You have bet 100 and you win €1. Now, it's €1 extra. Don't worry, you still get this back. This is if something is very likely. You know, you think definitely it's going to happen. How would you say this to someone? You would say 100 to 1 on. So this turns it around. Yeah? Do you understand? So let's just practice with some simple, funny examples. So we'll have Tom is late tomorrow. Yeah. So what will we say? What odds will we give Tom? What odds will we give Tom? Okay, Tom, what do you think? You'll be late tomorrow. Yeah. So what odds will you give? You think you're saying even odds. Even odds. That's what you're saying. Okay. What do you think, Tom? Yeah. So we say even odds. Okay. Let's do another one then. Who else could we pick on now? Scarlett. Odds that she will wear pink shoes tomorrow. What do you think, Scarlett? You think it will happen or won't happen? Maybe. What do you think? Even as well. Okay. I need to pick something more extreme now. Tom will go to the moon tomorrow. Yeah, it's very interesting. What do we think? Likely or not likely? I don't think this is likely.
Tom and Julia maybe in the TV can possibly.
Yeah, okay, maybe, yeah, in a rocket. Yeah, maybe they can. Yeah, maybe.
But I can't.
But you can't. So what will you say your odds are? I think it's more than 100. Yeah.
1 billion.
Yeah. Okay. 1 billion to 1. Yeah. So you're saying that you don't think it's likely. Okay. So I think I'll finish there because just the last thing I'll have you do is I want you all just to write down one example using this language. So I'll give you an example for me. I might say, what is the odds I will buy coffee in the morning tomorrow? I think this will be maybe 3 to 1. Because I feel like, yeah, maybe I will, but probably not. So for me, I will say 3 to 1. Yeah? So I just want you all to make one example and tell me your odds. One example. Any example you want, okay? So can you write that down and then we'll finish. You don't look happy, Scarlett. Is this confusing? You have an example?
My students.
Oh, an experience example. Good.
And paper in Korea.
Oh, okay. Korean example. Interesting. We'll find out what that is. How are we doing? You have an example?
No, I'm not finished.
Not finished, okay? Dennis, you have an example? You think so? You have one? Is it a good one?
Yeah.
Okay. Scarlett? You have one? Not finished? Okay. Now remember, if you want, I have €1, so I could bet with you if you give me these odds. If I hear a bet I like, I might place a €1 bet. If it's good odds, See, something like this, I wouldn't place €1. I would need more than 1 billion. I'd need 100 billion maybe. Yeah. I feel like I might lose my euro. Okay. Let's see now. So we have a Korean example first. What did you say you have now? What's your example?
In Korea, entrance to the hospital is 30 to 1.
Entrance into the hospital? What do you mean?
So,
Huh?
the hospital entrance is it finding job.
Oh, I see. Yeah, getting like a good job. Yeah, it's 30 to 1. Okay, so not likely then. It's difficult. Yeah, okay, interesting. 30 to 1. Yeah, no, I'll keep my euro for that. Okay, have you got an example, Dennis?
No, yeah.
What's yours? If you don't have an example, that's okay. Do you have one?
No.
Okay, we can come back to you. You can think about it. I want to hear Tom's example. Go on, Tom.
Taylor Swift is my girlfriend.
Ooh, interesting.
Is
What?
10 billion to 1.
10 billion to 1. No, Tom, I think it's better than this. I think you can do better than this. You never know, you might meet her tomorrow. You know. No, 10 billion to 1, that's too high. No. You're saying that it's more difficult for Taylor Swift to be your girlfriend than to go to the moon. Because for the moon you said 1 billion to 1, and Taylor Swift is 10 billion to 1.
I have money, if the technology can do this.
Okay, alright.
But the Taylor Swift can become my girlfriend.
But if you have a lot of money, maybe she can.
No, I don't want to spend the money to buy a girlfriend.
Ah, okay. Alright, good. I think I'll keep my euro though for this one. Have you got an example, Scarlett? No, okay, that's okay. Have you got an example?
Yeah.
What have you got?
China national team won the World Cup.
Okay, what did you say for that one now?
I say 9 billion to 1.
9 billion to 1. My goodness, I think it's better than 9 billion. No?
No.
They're that bad?
They are impossible.
Impossible, okay. I think if I had a euro, I would take this bet.
Yeah.
I think it's a good bet, because I could win 9 billion. I think it could happen. What have you got now?
In 4 plus the CPA is 40 to 1.
Pass what?
The
C-
CPA.
CPA?
Yeah, it's an exam about.
Ah, I see. So it's 40 to 1 you think to pass. Right, so it's difficult to pass then. Yeah,
it's
okay.
really difficult.
Okay, what is CPA? What exam?
It's about.
Oh, accounting exam. Okay, I gotcha. Yeah, yeah. And what is your example?
The Chinese football gave the World Cup.
Yeah. What odds?
I think not.
No, you have to give it something.
Maybe.
Yeah?
10,000 1.
10,000 to 1. That's okay. Which was I think China winning the World Cup, $1 billion, what'd you say, $1 billion or 10 billion?
9 billion.
9 billion. Yeah, I think I would do this bet. Yeah, because, it could happen. Could it?
I don't think.
Okay.
My father want to when he will die. Before when he will die, he can lose it, but I don't think.
Okay, how old is your father?
50.
Okay, so he hopes to see China win before he dies.
Yeah.
This is his dream. Yeah, okay.
It's a dream.
I don't know, maybe in 20 years China will have a great football team. Okay, guys, we'll finish there, so, okay? Yeah.
What's the pi?
The meaning?
Yes, like 10 over 3 is the decimal, but it's the same. But it's not the same. And
Yeah, pi
yeah.
as a decimal is this.
Yeah, and it's not same. And
No, it's not the same. It's roughly like this, 22 over 7. We call this approximately. It means it's nearly the same. Huh? What?
What's the word?
Approximately. Approximate.
Okay.
Yeah. So you could say pi is approximately 22 over 7, or approximately 3.14.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah? Okay.